I make these crispy keto French fries in my air fryer. Got 30 minutes? Yep, in just half an hour from now, you could be munching on these crispy air fry keto French fries with just 2.5 grams net carbs per serving. Oh, and before I forget, there's more awesome keto resources in the description box below. Alright, let's jump straight into it. You're going to need 1 cup almond flour, 3 teaspoons xanthan gum, 6 tablespoons boiling water, 2 tablespoons oil, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Okay, let's get cooking, shall we? Turn on that air fryer and preheat it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then mix your xanthan gum and the almond flour in a bowl before slowly pouring in the hot water and creating the dough in the bowl. You're going to let that bowl sit on the kitchen counter for at least 15 minutes. Then oil 2 pieces of parchment paper, roll out the dough in between them until it's a 1/4 inch thick. Grab that sharp knife to slice your dough into your thin fries and brush your fries with oil on both sides. Pop them in the air fryer for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown, and season your fries with a little salt and serve them warm. There you go. Enjoy your crispy air fried keto French fries with your favorite low carb toppings and servings. If you love simple, delicious keto recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, now watch this video next for another simple keto French fries recipe.